Hare Krishna. So we have the third verse in the line of description of duty that Lord Krishna tells Arjuna. We have the 33rd verse of the second chapter of Gita, which goes, Atha chetvamimam dharmyam sangramam na karishyasi tatah swadharmam kirtim cha hitva papam avapsyasi. Krishna says, if however you do not perform your religious duty of fighting, then you will certainly incur sins for neglecting your duties and thus lose your reputation as a fighter. Krishna says that you are reputed, you are Dhanurdhara. Yes. So as the greatest Dhanurdhara, people know you, and if you right now run, it will be like एक बच्चा पूरे साल भर स्कूल गया, क्लासेस अटेंड किया, लेकिन जब एग्जाम देने की बात आई तो एग्जाम के डर से वो एग्जाम के लिए बैठा ही नहीं, फिर कैसे चलेगा? सो यू आर नोन, यू आर अ रैंकर, आप फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड आते हो और आप एग्जाम को बैठते ही नहीं हो, ऐसे चलता है क्या? नहीं. सो कृष्णा सेज, माय डियर अर्जुना, you are known for your fighting. Whom all you have defeated? You have defeated Drona, you have defeated Bhishma, you have defeated Indra, you have defeated Shiva. Everyone you have defeated. What is the problem? Why is this simple petty weakness of heart, considering everyone to be their bodies, coming in between your duality of fighting and doing or exercising your free will? ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? ऐसा मत समझो कि ये युद्ध करने से अगर हम मर गए तो क्या होगा. अरे नहीं, युद्ध में मर जाओगे तो भी स्वर्गलोक तो कम से कम जाओगे ही जाओगे. लेकिन अगर युद्ध नहीं करोगे तो लोग बोलेंगे, अरे ये देखो भगोड़ा भाग गया. विल यू बी एबल टू बेयर? यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू बेयर. कृष्णा सेज दैट कीर्तिर यस्य स जीवति. एक व्यक्ति जब तक रहता है तब भी कैसे जीता है, वो उसकी कीर्ति के सहारे जीता है. लोग पहचानते हैं, अरे ये फलाना फलाना आदमी पता है ऐसा है. दैट इज हाउ अ पर्सन इज नोन. अदरवाइज हाउ सो मेनी पीपल, सो मेनी हाउस होल्ड, सो मेनी फादर, सो मेनी मदर, सो मेनी सन, सो मेनी ग्रैंडसन्स लिविंग. किसके बारे में किसको पता है? Only through fame a person lives in this world, or even when he is gone, he lives only through fame. So you are famous as Dhanurdhara. If you do not fight, your fame will go down. This is for your duty. And we see, even in Vaishnava principles, a devotee is known by glorification of Krishna. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur used to say, Pran ache jaar se hetu prachar. One who has life must preach. The essence of life is to preach. So once Bhaktivinod Thakur, he went to Jagannath Puri, and on the Samadhi of Srila Haridas Thakur, he composed these very famous lines. They reason ill who thinks that Vaishnavas die. For the Vaishnavas always remain in sound, and while living, spread the holy name around. So Vaishnavas, even once they are gone, they will live through the medium of their sound. And while living, what do? They only spread the holy name around. तो क्षत्रिय का धर्म है क्षत्रत्रायते, प्रजा पालन धर्म के हिसाब से. एक वैष्णव का धर्म है भगवान की लीलाओं का, नाम रूप गुण लीला का प्रचार. वो मरते दम तक वो करेगा. सो जस्ट एज कृष्णा इज coaxing Arjuna, you should be driven by duty. Similarly, we should be driven by our primary duty. What is our primary duty? Our primary duty is to preach the message of Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. That is how we have Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, Srila Prabhupada, and all of his disciples who are now present Acharyas, conducting the entire course of the process of Krishna consciousness. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,